Hey guys, welcome to this week's iFIXit session. So today we're going to be repairing an iPhone 6s. Now, can anybody tell me what's wrong with this phone? Because to me it looks fine. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. You know? So yeah, obviously I'm going to be replacing the screen. Now I think this phone took a tumble. I don't know where. I don't know how. I just know that it got dropped. I'm pretty sure down a set of stairs. Not like your normal carpet stairs. It's like concrete stairs in an industrial estate. So where they were like building new homes. So this phone belonged to a builder. So first things first. Let's open it up and let's see what we can do. Just bear with me a second. I know I haven't touched the phone yet. Just in the middle of something. Just getting the other screen ready. Just missing a few screws. I think they got lost while it was in transit. So just do this quickly. Now with all iPhones, just make sure you disconnect the battery before you start working on it. Obviously I'm using my toolkit here. I'll put a link for this toolkit in the description. I know a lot of people kind of ask me what tools to use and what not, and this toolkit has literally all of them, so don't worry about that. Bear with me. Finally. Getting these two bottom screws out. So normally these phones would be stuck down with some screen isn't even attached. Great. So normally these phones would be stuck down with some glue. You just remove that glue and start work straight away. Lift up the screen, always undo the battery with any phone. Otherwise you may accidentally short out something and cause irreparable damage. Don't ask me how I know that, because it's quite a sad story. Sad story that involved me breaking a phone. So I learnt the hard way, and I'm here so that you guys don't learn the hard way. Let's get these 4 screws out. As well, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and whatnot. This is obviously not something I do every day, so feel free to ask. I normally work on iPhones, so I know a lot about them. I know how they work. I know what parts go where. I even to an extent know what screws go where, which is quite a good skill to have, especially if you lose them. I know to get good quality parts. You know, how to spot the real from the fake. It's quite a hard thing to do, especially with iPhones, because there's so many aftermarket things with these. You don't really know what's real and what's fake anymore. So we've got the new screen here, ready to go. Let's get that attached. plug in the battery and see if it works. If it works, then it's a good day. If it doesn't, well, then obviously it's a bad day for the customer, not me. Make sure that battery is unplugged. It can be quite fiddly sometimes. There we are. Put the battery back in. Let's see what we got. Perfect. Let that turn on. I have the password for the device, so I can test everything. Yeah, it should be good to go. Unless something doesn't work, in which case we'll work that out as well. Yeah, touch works. Here we are into the phone. Fine. Yeah, phone works perfect. Appears to be jailbroken as well. That's good. Yeah, let's get it all put back together and call it a day. So I'm just going to turn this phone off. And that attached to the screen. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I actually managed to do this in like a record time. It's good. Get this connected back on. So I plan on making these streams about half an hour long, give or take. That also means, I can do a Q&A for you guys if you're interested. And answer some questions that you may have about phone repair. Can give you some advice and tips. I know a lot about these phones, and it's information that I'm willing to share. Sorry, I just can't see that. Putting back in the battery. As well, if you guys are interested, I can do a sort of mechanical one. So, I can work on motorbikes and cars if you guys like. But that I'm still learning with, so you guys can learn with me on that. If that's something you guys might be interested in, let me know in the comments afterwards. I can learn with you guys. I'd love to do that. Good skill to learn working on your own cars as well. Let's get this back down. Just make sure it still works. Yeah. Perfect. Always test your phones before you put them back together. Something that I learned the hard way. I've got a Pixel 2 XL right here. It's got a cracked screen. I might do this next week. The issue is the screens for these phones are really expensive, and I don't have the money to fix that phone right now, so I'll have to do that a bit later on. Yeah. Hello, welcome to this week's iFIXit video. I'm doing a... Okay. Oh, hello again. I'm doing a Q&A. If you've got any questions about fixing technology, I'd be happy to help. Happy to answer them. Feel free to ask away. Pardon me. So yeah, any questions that you guys might have? I'll wait here. I'm going to go until about past. Gives you guys some time to, ask any questions. Raymond. Doing an iPhone 6s screen repair. If you're curious. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. What are you doing today? CV. Fair enough. How many CVs do you have? Dorothy Dello. Hello. I'm doing iPhone 6s screen repair here. So just bear with me. We run a CV writing course, right? So if you want help with writing your CV, get help with that. If that's something that you want to do. I know it's probably not your thing, but a little bit of help here and there never hurt anyone. Pardon me. So let me just put this screen back into frame for you guys. There's the screen. Put it into view. What else are you doing today apart from your CV? Anything interesting? Not saying that your CV writing isn't interesting, but you know what I mean. Also, as well, I was thinking of doing like mechanical work on this Instagram live. So, like working on the motorbike. You think that's a good idea? You think I shouldn't do that? Because I'm not having many things to get repaired right now. So, the girl that was in Soapbox the other day. I can't pronounce your name, I apologise, but welcome to the live stream. I'm just fixing an iPhone 6s. You can look away from my hand now. What were you going to record? More of that music video? or what, and what time, and also where. Whoa. What are you worrying at? What are you worrying at? Gherkin probably around you. Oh, fair enough. There you go. Gherkin's a shame place to choose. Why did you choose the gherkin? What's there that isn't around here? Apart from rich people. You know, my dad sent me a whole essay this morning, and he said send it to Hando. I don't know what it is. I didn't read it, but it was really weird. I'm going to forward it to you, actually. Ah, okay. Was that was in your story the other night, or last night even? Where was that? Oh, you got in. You got into the indoor gardens. Nice. How the hell did you do that then? Apparently, according to my sister, because her girlfriend lives in the Barbican, they change the keys every week. Apparently, they change the keys every week, which is quite interesting. Might have to join you tonight, if anything. Do you think the door will still be unlocked? Well, I mean, I'm on it tonight if you're on it. Got to call. I'm back. Welcome back. I was gonna say if you're in it tonight, I'll go as well. Also, what else was I gonna say? Yeah, I was thinking of starting a mechanical thing on this Instagram live where I repair like the motorbike or something. I don't know. Sounds like it would be interesting. Wondering if people would watch that. Do it calm. I might start that next week at some point. Probably start with replacing a light bulb. I don't know. That's about it. I'm probably going to end this live. Kind of been finished for a bit. But yeah, I'll probably call you later on, Ray. Bless.
Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed watching, please remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Follow me on Instagram at Lucas_Lane_1. Follow Soapbox at Soapbox Islington. And as always, have a great day. Bye now.